Hi, Miss Edeline.
Hello, sir.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Edeline Teñoso.
How old are you?
I'm 39 years old.
What's your marital status?
I'm single.
Do you have a kids?
I have two kids, a boy and a girl.
Who will take care of your kids when you work abroad?
My parents will take care of them.
Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
I have a 2 years experience in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 2 years as a domestic helper.
What are your main duties as a helper?
I'll do household chores and taking care of the child.
Do you need to send the kids to school?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you are here?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will make myself busy and enjoy my stay in Hong Kong while working.
If your day off is not a Sunday, are you willing to take the job?
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
Only to a big dog, sir.
Are you willing to also take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to put down your phone and promise not to use it for personal reasons during your working hours?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake?
I will ask forgiveness and say sorry to her and not to do it again.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary compared to other Asian countries.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they need me.
Say a few words to your future employer.
To my future employer, please hire me and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities